In this video, I'm going to show you how to import GIS layer, GIS data into Google Earth. First, we have to open the existing project that we want to import into Google Earth, and then open Google Earth at the same time. Okay, in this case, I want to convert my study area and to be appear in on Google Earth. First, what we need to do, we need to convert. Go to our toolbox, conversion tool, and to KML. We will choose layer to KML. In this case, I drag the study area. Then we can choose right space to okay, we can name it after study area. Then just click OK. We have to wait a bit until the process will be done. Yes, now it's okay. And then open Google Earth, go to File, open okay, just open it. As you see here, it will appear for you like this. This is the layer that we wanted to add or to display in Google Earth.